Right guys, this is my first time test driving the AMG we purchased. It's going to be my maiden voyage. We've cleared some BTC faults on the vehicle. It is bringing up old errors. So let's talk my action, let's get into this AMG and see what we think about it. Hi guys, back to the Mercedes-Benz C250 AMG 2013. This is my first ride out in the vehicle. We did have an engine management light on. We've connected our top-down software to the OBD reader, scanned it. There were some old fault codes that were stored from eons ago. We've cleared those faults. We've made notes of the faults. We've cleared the engine service light just so that we can make sure that everything's okay. We haven't serviced the vehicle as yet, but we are planning on doing it tomorrow or the day after. We just thought we'd clear the service now, take it for a test drive so we can do a proper comparison without an ECU interference. And I can tell you that I can feel there is power to be unleashed. Unfortunately, when I put my foot down, there's a heavy drag on this vehicle. But if I put my foot down slowly on the accelerator, it builds itself up to the power which you would expect, but over a long period of time. I'm guessing and I'm hoping that it's just an oil filter, fuel filter, air filter change. Like I said, we're going to be doing that tomorrow or the day after. I'm not getting any engine management lights on at the moment. So we'll update you, and I really think diesel vehicles are fussy on their fuel filters. I'm just hoping this car hasn't been serviced in such a long time that that fuel filter is so clogged that it's now causing a fueling issue. But otherwise it's spot on. I mean, the steering is great, the sitting position, the comfortability, the riding, everything is so strong and stable on this car. Everything is straight. You feel like you want to go faster because of the setup, but at the same time I can see exactly why this would be a daily driver. It's not going to be a mean machine vehicle, but we're going to pimp this ride, guys. We're going to, hopefully with your comments and suggestions, get this thing looking the way it should look, and hopefully with a little bit of mechanical tweaks, get this thing driving the way it should. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe, and we'll do a video once the service is done and do a comparison in terms of whether or not we fixed the issue. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe. Menace Rides.